Hi, this is Yumiko Asakura. I am going to do a very special workshop in Coimbra, Portugal. It is Creative Therapy Workshop. Creative therapy is a very special therapeutic techniques I started after the research and study in university in UK. It is a sort of psychotherapeutic techniques together with healing and alchemy. It has a really mind-blowing dynamic effect with your problem or issues. Like when you do this creative therapy, the whole process of solving and transformation and healing happens within a session. So you will be supported throughout the process to first face your problem or issues. It's not really counseling. It has a really creative, artistic and meditative and healing approach to the problem. So you don't have to explain what's the problem, but you will be helped to understand what is the problem. Through the problem of issue, you will learn about the needs. What needs to happen? What do you really need? Because all the issues and problems are helping you to understand your essential needs that you're not really attending at the moment. So throughout the process, you will be supported by healing to be courageous, to take steps forward, and you will know your needs. And it will happen so naturally that you will see the needs and you will also see that you are capable to satisfy your needs. You will be understanding your gift. You will be understanding your intuition, your wisdom, your strengths in this therapy. So this therapy really helps you to trust yourself. And it happened in such a natural way because we are using healing and alchemy in here. The moment you see the problem, you face the problem, you understand the needs, you understand what needs to happen, you understand what you need, then you also notice that you can actually satisfy it by yourself. And you do that within a session. And your transformation happens within a session. As soon as you satisfy your needs, the transformation happens to create happier you. You will find a way to make yourself happy in this world. You will feel joyful and happy when the problem actually shows you the way. So it is an amazing experience for you because once you experience this creative therapy in the workshop, you will understand everything happening in your life, everything that looks like a problem or issue, they are actually trying to make your life better. It's actually helping you to understand your strengths and your power and your wisdom. You will understand more about yourself and you will feel excited to live your life. I want you to come and experience this workshop, and I want you to be excited about yourself and your wisdom. Please come and experience this workshop with me.